Hi there, students. Red tape. Okay, red tape talks about bureaucracy, official rules, official processes, documents you need to fill in, things you need to sign for the administration. And the implication or the nuance with this word is this bureaucracy is unnecessary, it causes delay, and it makes things just difficult to do. So we are always trying to find a way to cut through the red tape. Okay, so we find a way that we don't have to do it or to make it less long. Let's see. I think I'm going to go straight to the origin. Okay, many documents or government documents were tied up in a red-coloured ribbon. Lawyers very often tie things up in a pink-coloured ribbon, and very often government documents are tied with, or in the past were tied up with a red ribbon or red tape. Yeah, and that used to be very common. So then we refer to red tape as bureaucracy. Yeah. So it's the binding that was once used to hold important documents together, but nowadays we use it to talk about time-consuming regulations, bureaucratic procedures, all the red tape and paperwork that goes into making an application for planning permission, the red tape to fulfill all the red tape necessary to open a restaurant. Yeah, I think everything we do is hampered by red tape. Yeah, bureaucratic red tape, government red tape. Yeah, there is always excessive red tape when you want to do anything properly and officially. Yeah, and it causes just unnecessary delays. Okay, so bureaucratic red tape, it's the official process to get something done legally, but it's got excessive complexity and it results in delay, or maybe it just gets stuck. So the project at the moment is completely tied up in red tape. We need to find a way to cut through it. The plans became irretrievably mired in red tape. Okay, because sometimes it's just not possible to cut through the red tape and find a solution. Okay, so yeah, obstructive official procedures and time-consuming bureaucracy, that's red tape. I think many businesses are hamstrung by red tape. Yeah, red tape is a real problem. So your next question is, how formal is this? I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use this phrase red tape anywhere. You can use it informally, people will understand it. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, and I think it's okay. I think we live in a world of red tape gone mad, yeah, where you need to fill in a form to do almost anything. So there you go, red tape. It's a nice little idiom, I guess. I guess this is an idiom, yeah, because you wouldn't know what red tape was unless you know its origin. Okay, so yeah, the red tape of doing things properly. He wanted to start a taxi firm, but the red tape was so time consuming that eventually he just gave up. There was too much bureaucratic red tape. The business became buried in red tape. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Red tape.